Here we have a spreadsheet with some data on how many cans and bottles were collected by learners for a recycling project. Let's say we want to create a chart to show how many cans were collected by each grade. To do this, we need to select the right cells. Let's also select the two headings. Click on Insert, and then in the Charts group, click on the command for the column chart. Choose the 2D column chart at the top left. The chart is inserted in the worksheet. If necessary, you can move the chart. Just click on the outside border and drag the chart. Notice how the leftmost column supplies the labels for the horizontal axis, and how the column heading Cans becomes the chart title. Let's change the title to Recycling Project Cans. Click on the title to select it, then type in the new title. See how the words appear in the formula bar as you type. Press Enter when you are done. The chart title has updated. The title is still selected. Let's make it bold and black by using the commands on the Home tab. Whenever you click on the chart, these icons will appear next to the chart. They can be used to edit the chart. We will mainly use the Chart Elements icon and the Chart Styles icon. Let's add titles for the axis. To do this, click on the chart and then click on the Chart Elements icon. Click on Axis Titles. Both axis titles are inserted and the vertical one is automatically selected. To change its name, just type in Number Collected and press Enter. Let's make it black. Now click on the horizontal axis title and change it to Grade. We also make it black. We can show the actual number of cans collected by each grade on the chart itself by adding data labels. Click on Chart Elements and select Data Labels. The labels will automatically be added above the columns. If you click on the arrowhead next to a chart element, you will see all the different options that are available for that element. Our first chart is now complete. Now let's create another chart to show the data for the cans and the bottles. For this, we need to select the data in columns A, B, and C. Let's include the 3 column headings. Again, we insert a 2D column chart by using the commands in the ribbon. Let's move our first chart out of the way and the new chart to the top. The leftmost column again supplies the labels for the horizontal axis. See how the column headings become the legend to show which color represents which series of numbers. The blue columns are the cans and the orange columns are the bottles. Let's change the chart title to Recycling Project and give the axis titles to describe what they represent. The Chart Styles icon gives you different chart styles to choose from. As you hover the mouse over a style, you can see how it will change your chart. Let's choose style 3. Our second chart is now complete.